A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start lecture 7 of chapter 9 differential equation. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed the theory related to linear differential equations and I have completed 2 questions. So now today I will start the questions related to linear differential equation in lecture 7. So see, question number 1 is solve the differential equation. Solve dy by dx plus y is equal to sin x. So this is the given differential equation. This is 2i. dy by dx plus 2i is equal to sin x. So now we have to solve it. So first of all, when you will see the given differential equation is of the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So write the given differential equation. Solution. The given differential equation dy by dx plus 2y is equal to sin x is of the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So when you will compare this equation, so you can get the values of p, that is 2, and the values of q, that is sin x. Now you will get two values p and q. Now in second steps, what do we have to solve? For this differential equation, we have to find the special factor, that is integrating factor. So integrating factor if is equal to e to the power integration over p dx. So now p result you know, e to the power integration over 2 dx, so result will be e to the power 2x. This is the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e to the power 2x. So we have to multiply by this integrating factor in this given equation. So this is the given differential equation. Then multiply both sides, e to the power 2x dy by dx plus 2i is equal to e to the power 2x with sin x. Now we have to see these steps. This is the differential of, you can write, this is the differential of or dy by dx of e to the power 2x into y. Now you can differentiate. When you will differentiate, you will get the same values, that is e to the power 2y into y. Now copy it, e to the power 2x into sin x. Now we have to integrate both the sides. See, this is the last steps. Now we have to integrate dy dx of y time e to the power 2x. Dx is equal to integration over y times e to the power 2x dy dx of integration over e to the power 2x into sin x dx. Now this result will be y time e to the power 2x is equal to, this integration we can solve by using integration by part. So we are going to apply integration by part. See, now this integration we can solve by using integration by part. So see, I am going to integrate this part. Suppose I is equal to, or suppose this is equation e to the power x e to the power 2x into sin x dx, equation 1. Now let I is equal to integration over e to the power 2x times sin x dx. Now in this question, suppose this is the question of integration and you have to solve it. So first function, what you will take? First function integration of second function. See, when function, which function you will take? First function. See, in this type of function you will consider this is first function and this is second function. So first function integration of second function minus integration over d by dx of first function into integration of second function formula you will apply. So result you will get, here is dx, so I can write its result, first function e to the power 2x into integration of second function, that is minus cos x, minus integration over d by dx of first function is 2 times e to the power 2x into integration of second function, that is minus cos x. So this will be plus 2 times cos x now dx. Now this is the result of minus time e to the power minus e to the power 2x into cos x, and again in this integration you will consider again e to the power 2x is a first function. So first and second. So I will be equal to, I is equal to minus time e to the power 2x time cos x plus 2 times its integration. Result will be first function integration of second function, result is sin x, now minus integration over d by dx of first function remains 2 times e to the power 2x and integration of second function, that is sin x, and now dx. So now you can see when you will multiply 2, then you will get the result is minus 4i. So I is equal to minus time e to the power 2x cos x plus 2 times e to the power 2x sin x minus 4 times integration over e to the power 2x sin x dx. Now you know this is the value of I because we have considered I is equal to this. So I and minus 4i and plus I, result will be 5i. So 5i we can write minus e to the power 2x time cos x plus 2 time e to the power 2x sin x. Now this is the integration after dividing by 5. So 1 by 5 you can take 5i is equal to this, and then 1 by 5, this will divide by 1 by 5. So its integration will be, what will be its integration? E to the power 2x 2 sin x minus cos x, and now you have to put I. So I result, see, I result you can write I is equal to 1 by 5 2 sin x minus cos x e to the power 2x. So this is the value of I, and we have to put at the place of equation 1. So this is considered equation 2 using 2 in 1, using 2 in 1. Now see, we are going to put values of 2 in equation 1. So equation 1 is this. So y times e to the power 2x is equal to, this is I, so I value is 1 by 5 in bracket 2 times sin x minus cos x e to the power 2x, and now plus c. C is the arbitrary constant of integration. So y is equal to e to the power 2x and 1 by 5 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. So e to the power 2x is also here. So now you can write y is equal to, or e to the power, or 1 by 5 2 times sin x minus cos x times e to the power 2x plus c, and whole upon e to the power 2x. And now result will be y is equal to 1 by 5 2 times sin x minus cos x, and now plus c times e to the power minus 2x. Now this is the required solution or required general solution, because this is c. Required solution of given differential equation. Now this is the answer. See. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. This is the question number 4 of NCERT. So dy by dx solved. Dy by dx plus y sec x is equal to 10x. Dy by dx plus y sec x is equal to 10x. We have to solve, or we have to find out general solution of differential equation. So given differential equation, you know, given differential equation, given differential equation is of the form of dy by dx plus y times sec x is equal to 10x. Now when you will compare from this general term, you can get the values of p and q is of the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Now from equation you can compare and find the values of p, that is p is equal to sec x, and q is equal to 10x. Next steps, what we have to solve? We have to find out integrating factor. So if is equal to e to the power integration over p times dx, you know, e to the power integration over p, and p value is sec x, and now dx. So you know, integration of sec x is log of mod of, means e to the power log of mod of sec x plus 10x, and you know e to the power log x result is x, so its value is sec x plus 10x, means integrating factor result is sec x plus 10x. Now see, now we have to multiply integrating factor in this given equation format, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So sec x plus 10x multiply by dy by dx plus y times sec x is equal to sec x plus 10x into 10x. Now after multiplying, what you will get the result? Result you will get, means this is the exact differentiation of, this is the exact differentiation of y times or y into sec x plus 10x. Means this calculation is, this whole calculation we can write, this is the result of dy by dx of y time sec x plus 10x, and now its result is sec square or sec x 10x plus 10 square x after multiplying. Now we have to operate integration sign on both the sides. See, so result will be, when you will operate integration on both the side, then result will be d by dx of y times sec x plus 10x is equal to, or dx is equal to integration over sec x 10x dx, and now plus integration of 10 square x dx. Now integration and derivative, antiderivative will cancel out, so result will be y times sec x plus 10x is equal to, you know its integration is sec x, and now its integration we can solve by using calculation of trigonometry. So sec square x minus 1 is the value, so sec square x integration, you know, integration over sec square x dx and minus 1 dx. This single integration we can split into two integral. So 1 dx result is x, you see the result. So y times sec x plus 10x is equal to sec x plus, its integration is 10x minus x now plus c. So sec x plus 10x we can send in denominator, so leave it. Y times sec x plus 10x is equal to sec x plus 10x minus x plus c. Required a general solution. required general solution of given differential equation. Now this question is completed. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 3. Now question number 3 is solve the differential equation x time dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square log of x. So now we have to make the coefficient of dy by dx 1 first of all. So given differential equation, given differential equation x time dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square log of x. We have to convert in the format of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So make the coefficient of dy by dx unit. So divide by x on both the sides. So result will be, that is dy by dx plus 2 times by x into y is equal to x time log of x, because x square from numerator x term single term will cancel out. So result will be x. So this is the format of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So when you will compare from dy by dx plus py is equal to q, you will get p is equal to 2 by x and q is equal to x time log of x. So we have to find out integrating factor. So integrating factor if is equal to e to the power integration over p dx. You know this is the formula. So e to the power p integration over p result is 2 by x and now dx. So result you can write e to the power 2 time log x and m log n result is log m to the power n. So its result will be e to the power log x whole square and the result will be x square only, because you know the formula e to the power log x result is x. So integrating factor is x square. Now we have to multiply integrating factor in equation. Main equation is this dy by dx format. So dy by dx means x square multiply by dy by dx plus 2 by x time y is equal to x square time x time log of x. Now you will see this result is x square time, I am writing above, see. So x square dy by dx plus 2x square y by x means 2xy will be here. So 2xy bracket closed is equal to x cube log of x. Now we have to operate integration on both the sides. So you know, or this is the value you know also. This is the value of x square y means differentiation of, this is the d by dx of x square y is equal to x cube log of x. Now we have to operate integration sign on both the sides. So integration dx. See, what will be the result? This result will be x square y is equal to, in this question I, L, A, T, this we will consider first, this is second. So first function integration, first function integration of second function, first function is log x and integration of second function result is x cube, means x to the power 4 by 4 minus integration over d by dx of first function is x 1 by x and with x to the power 4 by 4 dx. Now this result will be x cube by 4. So x square y is equal to log of x time x to the power 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is the constant of integration, 1 by 4 outside. So x cube integration, you know, again x cube dx result will be x to the power 4 by 4. So x to the power 4 by 4 log of x minus 1 by 16 x to the power 4 and now plus c. This is x square into y. So this will be the required general solution of the given differential equation. Now you can change also, or you can take common x square and you can divide by x square. So what you will get the result? Result you will see y times, or when you will divide by x square on both the sides, result will be x square by 4 log of x minus x square by 16 and plus c times x to the power minus 2. C times x to the power minus 2. I am writing below c times x to the power minus 2. Required general solution of given differential equation. So this is the general solution of given differential equation. Now see, in this question what we have to find? We have to find general solution or solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation means we have to find out the general solution. So given differential equation, x times dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square log of x. This is a multiple of x with dy by dx. So we have to make the coefficient of dy by dx unit. So you will divide by x on both the sides. When you will divide x on both the sides, so result you will get x dy by dx plus 2 times y by x is equal to x times log of x. Now again you have to find out integrating factor, and integrating factor, and when you will compare, before find the integrating factor you have to compare from the general term, and you will see you have get the values of p, and p is equal to, you got 1 by x or 2 by x, p is equal to 2 by x, and q is equal to x times log of x. Now we have to simplify integrating factor, and integrating factor integration over e to the power p dx. After calculate integrating factor, and integrating factor you will get x square. Now we have to multiply integrating factor in main equation. So when you will multiply integrating factor in main equation in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q, you will get this type of expression. And now we have to integrate right hand side, and left hand side will be the single derivative of dy by dx of x square y. Clear? Now you know, when you will operate operate integration sign with dx on both the side, so result you will get dy by dx of integration over dy by dx of x square y with dx, and right hand side will be integration over x cube log of x dx. So x square y will be here because antiderivative and derivative, or antiderivative means integral part. So integration and dy by dx will cancel out, result will be x square y and log of x. To calculate this type of integral, you have to use or apply the formula integration by part, and by using Eilert rule, you will integrate first function. You can consider first function log of x and second function x cube. So first function integration of second function minus integration over d by dx of first function, that is 1 by x, into integration of second function, that is x to the power 4 by 4. Now x part will cancel out, result will be x cube, and 1 by 4 will be outside the integral. So integration over x cube dx result will be x to the power 4 by 4, and multiply by 1 by 4 result will be 1 by 16. So x square y is equal to x to the power 4 by 4 into log of x minus 1 by 16 x to the power 4. Now in terms of y, you have to divide by x square on both the side. So y you will get x to the power 4 by x square, so x square will cancel out from numerator, result will be x square by 4 into log of x minus x square by 16 plus c times, or c by x square means we can write c into x to the power minus 2. So now this is the required general solution of the given differential equation. Now this is completed.